How to create a Binance Web3 wallet. Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the steps to create a Binance Web3 wallet. It's a quick and easy process allowing you to manage your crypto assets on the Binance Smart Chain. Let's dive right in. First, go to your browser and search for Binance Wallet extension or head directly to the Binance Wallet page. Download the official extension for Chrome or Firefox and add it to your browser. Once the extension is added, click on the Binance Wallet icon at the top right of your browser and click Create Wallet. You'll be prompted to set a password, so make sure it's strong and then click Continue. Now, you see a recovery phrase. This is crucial, so write it down and store it securely, as it's the only way to recover your wallet. After backing it up, confirm the phrase in the order shown to complete the setup. And there you have it. Your Binance Web3 wallet is now set up and ready to use. Check out the video description for more resources and check out the channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.